What I'm going to demonstrate today is how a tubular rivet is clenched. Notice there is a hole drilled halfway through the rivet. Leaves an area to be rolled over. So what I do is I place the tool over the rivet. Make sure you line up the bottom. Let me get it set real quick. You want to make sure that the bottom die is centered with the rivet. Make sure it's snugged up, and then go ahead and tighten it one full turn and then one half. Take it out. And make sure it's rolled all the way over. If it's not rolled all the way over, just give it another little clench, and so that the roll actually comes back and touches the application. Okay, here we go. We're going to give it just a little more. So what you have here is a semi-tubular rivet that's clenched all the way over and holds your application together nice and easy. It doesn't scratch the top of the rivet or damage your material.